Here's how to make my delicious shredded beef tacos. In a saucepan, I'm adding some oil and a couple of tablespoons of flour. Then I'm just going to whisk it together. Once it's all combined, I'm going to go in with these spices. Whisk that up. It smells so good in here. Add in some chicken stock and 2 tins of pureed tomato. And I'm going to let that boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to throw in some round steak in my slow cooker and pour over the delicious sauce. Pressure cook for 1 hour, and this is what it looks like when it's done. It is extremely tender and it is falling apart as I'm trying to get it out. It is so tender, as you can see. I am literally shredding this with a pair of shitty plastic tongs. I cannot wait to eat these tacos. So here's my spread. I've got extra sauce to dip. I got pico de gallo, guacamole, and sour cream. Enjoy!